Warning, I am not a professional. This is just a hobby of mine, and then from time to time I get distracted and do stupid things like cutting my finger off. Please don't do that. That really effing hurt.
Oh, Brian!
I'm trying to make a video! Hi. What's going on? Brian Sparky. Brian Sparky's Model Salvage. Jesus. I've said it like 100 times. I don't know why I can't get it right. Okay. Anyways. Super B. Full build video is coming. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm doing a vinyl top. Okay, so thought I'd do a separate video on me doing a vinyl top, and it's gonna be weathered, so you know it's not gonna end up nice. But this is how I do it. Using regular, I don't know, what is this, 2-inch wide masking tape? Sure, you've seen this done in other videos, but I don't know if you've actually seen it weathered before, so this is gonna be me weathering it, okay? Just follow along in the video, okay? Just watch. That's all you gotta do. Just watch this. So the first strip that you put on there, this model kit comes with like the lines where it overlaps on the vinyl top, so you go right along those lines. I cut right along those and right around the window trim there, okay? So now, do the other side. And this side is a little bit harder because as you go down, it wants to crease. So if I can't get it the first time or the second time, then I got a different way of dealing with it, because the part that I'm actually going to rip up is going to be in here at the seams, like it's coming apart. So if I can't get this, then I'll deal with that later in another way, but gotta at least try first. All right. I would have to say that turned out pretty good. So, do the other side and continue here. All right, so that looks pretty good. Let's see, I know I didn't go all the way down to the corners, but you know, by the time I get done weathering and stuff, See, I mean, all I do is weather cars. So if you haven't watched any of my videos, go watch them. All right. All I do is weather. All I do is weather. That's it. I don't do anything nice because I suck at it. Okay. All I do is weathering. Go hit that subscribe button. It's down there or it's over here somewhere. Okay. But anyways, when I do this, I always use the sharpest X-Acto knife you got when you're cutting. Of course, I mean, you guys know this. If you're doing this all the time, you know that. You don't want to use something dull. All right. Why do I have to tell you this? All right. So the next step of what I'm going to do is,
And Brian!
What?
I've dropped my bag of candy and I need you to come and pick it up.
Why don't you get up and get it yourself?
No, you don't remember what happened last time when I bent over to pick something up.
Oh, I remember. I had nightmares for a month and now I'm on medication. All right.
Thank you, darling. I'll give you a treat later tonight.
God. Candy was sour. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead, paint this top. All right. And what I'm using to do this is the cheap acrylic paint, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, wherever. So, let's get to it. So there it is painted. Okay, so one thing I never explained at the beginning is, I just lost my train of thought. Okay. The sponge, it's just these little brushes you buy at Walmart. Just rip open, rip off the end of it and dab it on there. That when you do this, it helps give you texture, even though the masking tape already has texture. Okay, but so you can get rid of the paint lines. You don't want any of that crap on there. Okay, so I know I'm eventually going to go back and do the trim and all that, but this video is just about showing you how I do the weathered headliner. That's it. So that's all I'm doing. Okay, so you see it doesn't look the best, but it's not supposed to because it's weathered. This is going to be beat up, obviously, you can tell. So I'm gonna dry this a little bit and then just watch the video. So watch what I'm doing. Okay, just watch. Got the lines right here, though, where it overlaps, right? Okay, just peel it off. That's all you gotta do. Literally, all you gotta do. What I might end up doing, I like to do sometimes, is get this 1000 grit sanding pad. When you're weathering, just use your imagination. Nothing has to be perfect when you weather, okay? See, like what I just did here? Made it look a little more worn, right? Okay. So now, you can see, peeled up. Gonna take a little bit of this. It's what I always use when I rust. Vallejo environment texture, rust texture. That's all I use. Only thing I use when I rust. Well, I mean, not the only thing, but I mean, you know, you get the point. I need to find a clean brush here. All right. And that is it. That's all I do. I bring up a little bit more here in the front, but I don't know. That's all there is to it. Very, very simple. So, if you want to watch the full build video on this, I'm going to have that done here probably a couple days after this. So just stay tuned to the channel. Go subscribe. So all you have to do is just hit a button, okay? I do weather models and tutorials all the time on this channel. So yeah, have a good one. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, please go subscribe. Or if you like more videos like this, go watch this playlist, or you can go check out one of these other videos over here. Yeah, thank you.
Are you about finished with your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?